Some stages carry history, others carry expectations. At ASU Gammage, both. A Frank Lloyd Wright icon, 3,000 seats, millions of footsteps. After 61 years, the floor wasn't just tired, it was tested. We built movable, self-containment tunnels to protect the interior from cross-contamination. This allowed for simultaneous installation of our DiamondCast Flake System inches from abatement. The historic transformation begins now. Multiple sections, one schedule. Budgeted for 5 months, delivered in 6 weeks. Scope, remove failed epoxy. Spread zero dust, install DiamondCast Flake start to finish. First, the floor was patched using Diamond VJF, and then a prime coat of Diamond VRS. Unlimited moisture control was installed to mitigate concrete vapor and strengthen the concrete. As soon as the Diamond VRS dried, pigmented Diamond Epoxy LM was installed and broadcast to refusal with UV-resistant vinyl flakes. Minutes matter. We move like a crew that has done this before. Measurements, mixtures, momentum. Every layer is a promise. The floor was then scraped and swept clean to remove any excess flake. Material in, waste out. Finally, polyaspartic urethane top coat to seal. UV resistant and up to 5 times the abrasion resistance of epoxy. While wet, slip resistant aluminum oxide is broadcast and back rolled to embed into the system. The finishing touch, photoluminescent numbers and step edges to guide guests when the house goes dark. On the surface, details don't hide. They perform. From the top, the work reads effortless because it was anything but. In the end, what matters most is the happiness of our client. And all feedback to date has been exceptional. We are extremely grateful to all involved in helping close the curtain on this historic project. When you're ready to spotlight your very own transformation, Techniquex is ready to set the stage.